What? Did I break anything on my face?
Yeah, you're bleeding. You break your nose?
Yeah, it looks like you cut your nose there.
You good, dude?
Yeah.
I see the bike fucking hit you.
Whoa. I think I broke my face.
That's one reason right there. It's risky to do.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna do it. You good, dude?
Oh, I think I broke my face.
Probably broke your nose. What's that fucking concrete?
Oh, I broke my nose. Yeah, I broke my fucking nose.
The bike hit you?
Hard.
I seen it come right on top of you, dude. You got the axle fucking...
Oh.